My name is Saidi Bharsavi. Subject name is Business Research Method. Topic name is a comparative study on online shopping versus traditional shopping. Introduction. In today's era, every person is dependent on shopping for goods and services either online or offline. It is been seen that people shop not only for necessities but also realizing stress. It gives a break from other monotonous routine of life. In general, we have got two types of shopping ways, online shopping and traditional shopping. In current scenario, we can observe that people are more inclined towards online shopping. COVID-19 has brought a great change in the retail marketing, and also internet facilities have made it easy for people to buy things online. Online shopping is a kind of electric shopping which allows customers to purchase the goods over the internet facilities from the seller using a web browser. Online shopping is a popular with many other names like e-shop, e-store, internet shop, web shop, online store, and virtual store. Nowadays, internet hold a major part of shopping in retail markets, but at the time, traditional shopping has continued from years. This is because still customers prefer to examine the products and hold the possession of product before purchasing it. They believe that the penny spent on purchasing should not go waste. Just at the click of the mouse or by trying a word in the search engine in the handsets. Thousands of products pop up on the screen based on the choice, and the goods will be delivered convenience that comes along with it. Thought online shopping is at the peak. Still, many of the consumers do obtain for traditional shopping. Consumers do believe in getting quality, value, and satisfaction from their purchase. The focus of the study is on knowing the consumer's choice of shopping. The consumer should actually know the right medium of shopping for their products. Many products are such which requires touch. Here comes the role of offline shop where consumers can touch, smell, try the product before purchase. On the contrary, many consumers have been seen watching back to offline shopping due to some past experience. Title of research: a comparative study on online shopping versus traditional shopping. Research. The present study boldly compares the online and offline shopping, especially the objective are to analyze the specific difference between the online and offline consumer group in the terms of demographic, technology use available, and attitude of the consumer. To examine the factors influence the consumer to switch from the offline shopping to online shopping and online shopping to offline shopping. Third, the factor influencing the consumer to shop slowly online and slowly offline. Fourth, the analysis whether the qualification of the consumer affect the online shopping and offline purchase. Methodology. It computes the description of the research instrument sampling procedure which is used for the collection of data through questionnaires. Scope. Scope is limited to the geographical boundary of Dhanu cities. Sampling, design, simple random sampling it because of use in study. Sample size 40 respondent. Method of the data collection. The data was collected through primary and secondary sources. Primary data include development of questionnaires to collect relevant data regarding the research. Secondary data include collection of the valuable information from different websites, journals, various research papers, etc. Questionnaires. A short questionnaire is being prepared to effectively gather information regarding the thoughts of the customer towards online and offline shopping. Nature of the question asked. The questionnaire consists of close-ended questions. Presentation of data. The data is presented to various tables and findings. The primary object of the study was compare online and traditional shopping mode. The findings are: the survey shows that 28% consumers are 18 to 25 years old and 72% consumers over 26. The survey shows 60% consumer of online and offline shopping are females and 40% consumer are male. Out of the data survey, 82% consumer trust on the online shopping and 18 consumers are the not trusted on the online shopping. The maximum consumers are satisfied with online shopping and 90% consumer prefer to online shopping. 10% consumer prefer to traditional shopping. The survey shows that 20% of online shopping consumers are use Flipkart, 30% of online shopping consumers are use Amazon, and 100% of online shopping consumer use Meesho, 40% of online consumer shopping consumer use Myntra for shopping. Analysis shows 45% consumer think that quality, 22% consumer think that price, 80% consumer think that payment facilities, and 15 consumer think that salesman advice is the most important criterion when they buy in offline shopping. Analysis show 42% consumers think that delivery, 23% consumers think that quality, 20% consumers think that payment security, and 15% consumers think that price is the most important criteria when they buy in online shopping. Out of the data survey, 7% consumer think bargaining with 30% consumer do not. The survey shows 37 consumers think that they can touch the product, 35% consumer think that they are better return policies, and 20% consumer think that there are a discount on their shopping, and 8% consumer think that there is no disappointment about the product in offline shopping. The survey shows 60% consumer think that they can save their valuable time. 20% consumer think that there is the facility of shopping gifts directly. 13% consumer think that they can see those items that might not be seen by them in store, and 7% consumer think that they can organize their finance easily in the online shopping. Limitation. First, due to time consistency, the study was limited to the only Dhanu city and 45 respondents only. As the sample size was just 740, so finding and concluding of the study are only suggestive, not conclusive, in spite of the best and honest efforts. Lack of customer support while asking the consumer, they were behaving rudely and not responding to the questions. Language barrier as the questionnaire was prepared only in English. Based on the primary data, hence we can't argue that the research is applicable in each condition, time and place. For online shopping, utilize website or browser extension to compare price across the different online stores. Look for promo code, discount and cashback offers. Check reviews on the website, social media and review platform. Understand the warranty, support and return policies. Ensure your internet connection is secure while making online transactions. For traditional shopping, some stores may offer price matching if you find a lower price elsewhere. In some cases, prices may be negotiable, especially for big ticket items. Look for in the store display, flyers, or announcement about promotions. Sign up for loyalty programs or rewards cards to learn points or discounts. Try out products before purchasing, especially for electronics or cosmetics. Conclusions. The study shows that online shopping experience has now deeply impacted the lives of consumers. Moreover, due to the great impact of COVID-19, online shopping has become more effective and efficient. It has only brought businessmen or retailers to new heights but has also driven consumer life to a great extent. The result of the study suggests that more and more business development is needed in the field of online shopping. Rapid growth of e-commerce has led to high demand of global retail infrastructure. Internet has now emerged as a cost-effective tool for business. The innovation in the IT technology had made online shopping famous among the youth and necessity for those who are working and trying to bring a balance between work and personal life. Online shopping has always carried few bottlenecks which have been easily removed in the online shopping arena. From secure online payments, making a cashless move to return policies to exacting the discount, online shopping has always remained the favorite popular option of many consumers, but at the same time, online offline shopping is still continue in a constant level in the eye of consumers. Those customers who like spend time in this mall with friends and family are still inclined towards the offline shopping. Still, many consumers have a mentality that quality product and service can be brought only through the offline shopping. Another angle of this shopping method is that consumers use online shopping platform to just gain information through various choice, reviews, recommendation, and gather after gathering all the information, they prefer to purchase the product through offline shopping. The overall result proved that the respondents of this survey has taken up online shopping in a positive manner. This indicates that there is a growth of online shopping in India, but at the same time, the frequency of online shopping is comparatively less in the country. The online retailers and those engaged in the business have to plan out more and more innovative techniques to influx people into the online shopping. The result can be used to identify the customers, segmentation, and remember the exciting strategies even consider should we give the female customer in order to know their implicity and explicitly experiment while shopping because females shop more than males. After all, females love shopping. These are the some bibliography from where the material or information is lecture in this the age, the gender, do you trust online shopping, prefer online shopping, on which website do you shop, then what are the most important criteria when you buy in the traditional, the most important criteria when you buy in online shopping, do you like Pick the reason why choose online shopping and please dig the reason why you choose online shopping. These are the some questionnaires which ask in for the survey. Thank you.